Hi everyone, Ashley here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a haul video from DAISO. So DAISO is basically a Japanese version of a dollar store. Unless otherwise marked, everything is $1.50 and everything's in yen. So they have like little conversion charts in the aisles, so you can kind of say like if it's not $1.50, if it's not that, then what is it in American dollars? So it's basically a Japanese dollar store and they have so much cute stuff. And so I haven't been in there in about a year and a half, so I was well overdue for a visit and I got some really cute things. I have a big bag of goodies here from DAISO, so before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe, but let's get into it. So, the first thing I got, I have a couple of these in various sizes from DAISO, and it's these, like, trays. They're plastic. It says you can't put them in the microwave. I mean, sorry, it does say you can't put them in the microwave. You can't do anything with them, according to the back. But it also says you can't put them in the dishwasher. I put mine in the dishwasher and they've been fine. I don't not really feel like I'm gonna hand wash a $1.50 tray. So I've picked up another one because I do use them a lot, and it's this really cute like hot air balloon design. Yeah, it is a kind of all different kinds. They kind of look like a vintagey design, which of course I was drawn to. Yeah, so cute. I think it's like their middle size. I think I have a smaller one and a larger one. I think this might be the larger one, but yeah, this is just a design I thought was so cute, so I wanted to add that to my collection. The next thing I got were these 10-piece paper plates, like so the red and white polka dot. I don't really buy disposable plates because it's a waste, but I do keep them around lately because when we don't eat outside of restaurants, we don't eat in restaurants, so we either take it home with us or we eat in the car. And when you're eating in the car, these really come in handy. So until we're vaccinated and feel safe eating in restaurants and outside of restaurants, we will be buying these, and then they will be going away because they are not good for the earth. But in this situation, I keep them around. So I wanted to pick up a few of those. So the next thing I got is kind of like a set. I got 2 sets of them. And they are these chair socks. So they had these in a bunch of different like bright, cool colors, but I just wanted ones that were like neutral and would match the wood on the chair kind of. So when we live in an apartment and on our kitchen, under our kitchen table, it's like it's wood. So we can like, when we scoot our seat back, it's like really loud and it's not good for the floor, it's not good for our chairs, and I'm sure it's not, people below us don't like it. So I had these like years ago and they worked better than anything else, better than those little like sticky pads you put underneath. Those come right off. So they just eventually, I mean, they're thick fabric, but eventually they just ate through it and I had to throw them away. But they lasted for a really long time. So I wanted to make sure I picked those up when I was in DAISO again. Because like I said, it's been like a year and a half since I've been at DAISO. And so these are just some household things that I really wanted to get on the chair because I actually hate the sound of the chair scooting back and rubbing against the wood. All right, so the next thing, not too exciting, these next 2 items, but this is just a new makeup sponge. Yep, just a silky soft makeup sponge. Yeah, this has got a lot of writing in Japanese. Yeah, so, but you don't really need too much, it's too many instructions for a makeup sponge, so I just need a new one of those. Our household scissors disappeared. Who knows where these things go, so I just bought a new one. Yeah, $1.50, couldn't really go wrong replacing that. Let's see what else. All right, and then the next 2 items are the only things in my haul that were not $1.50. So I got, this was 400 yen, so this was $5. And basically it's a 1.1 liter heat resistant glass sealed container. You can use it in the dishwasher, the oven, and a microwave. So I have a smaller version of this from IKEA that I use a lot. I really like it. It's good for freezing things, hold it better than the plastic in the freezer. Yeah, so I saw this. It is obviously a glass bottom and like a really thick plastic top with a good seal. So yeah, I wanted to pick up another one of these. So this was $5 and it looks like really good quality. So that was $5. And then I got a smaller version, which is more close to the version that I have from IKEA. So I wanted another one of those. And this is basically the same. This was $2. This was only 50 cents more than everything else that I bought. And again, it's a glass bottom with the thick plastic top. Yeah, so that was $2. This is all good household stuff that I needed. So something that I did not need but couldn't resist were these Ziploc bags, Hello Kitty Ziploc bags. And I think that hopefully I can get a few, because I use reusable, like thick plastic Ziploc bags. I don't use like the disposable ones. So I hope that these are thick. I'm gonna have to open them and hopefully I can get more uses out of them. Obviously in the bag I couldn't tell, but the reason I bought them was because I love like dessert food aesthetic. I've mentioned that a few times in my videos. I love anything with like dessert design on it. So this is a Hello Kitty like branded item, which I don't mind Hello Kitty, but I don't really care like if the Hello Kitty was on it. I still would have bought it without Hello Kitty. So it says, "Sweets make me happy. Hello Kitty, I love apple pie." So some of the like English phrases on some of the items they have are kind of sound funny, but the reason I bought it is because it's like pink and it has all these cool desserts on it. It's like apple pie with ice cream. It looks like a raspberry like mousse pie or something, a cappuccino. And then it has like some Hello Kitty designs on it. Yeah, so actually let's see if they are, like what the quality is. Because I hope that I can get more uses out of them. I don't want to just toss them. I don't know, we'll see. I might get a few uses out of them, but they're not as thick as I hoped they would be. I mean, for $1.50, I don't know what I expected, but, and so the front is clear. So when I put anything in there, you're not really gonna see the reason I bought it, which was the background. So, would I buy these again? No, but they were $1.50. I wanted to try them out, and maybe I'll get a few uses out of them maybe, but I just really loved the design. All right, and I think the rest of the items I got are all Disney items. So Daiso has a partnership with Disney where they have so much Disney stuff. You name it, they have it. So there's actually a few things I put back just because I felt some of them were like white dish towels, and I'm like, they were Disney themed, and I'm like, oh, those will get destroyed in like one use, so there's no point in buying it because the background was white. But yeah, I did buy a few things. But if you are a Disney fan and you have a Daiso near you, you need to get there. So the first thing I bought was this pot mat, this blue, and it just has Mickey Mouse, and he's kind of looking off in the distance, like kind of like perplexed or shocked. So they had I think 3 other designs in other colors. They had like a mustard, a red, and then like maybe a green. I can't remember, but this was the design that I liked best, and this blue is like really vibrant. So yeah, I needed like something for like to put hot things on, and this is perfect, and it's cute, and it's Disney, and it was $1.50. Can't go wrong. So the next thing is this hard glasses case, and it's Belle, my favorite Disney princess. So this was a soft case. I probably wouldn't have bothered because I have a bunch of those, but I don't really have enough hard glasses or sunglasses cases. So yeah, why not get a Belle one? And this is like a really good, sometimes you'll see the Disney princesses on stuff and you're like, well, I can tell it's them because of their clothes, but their face looks weird. This actually is a really good rendering of Belle. So yeah, just $1.50 Belle sunglasses case, which is what I'll be using for. I'll be using it for sunglasses. All right, this next thing I will be replacing another similar item that I got from Daiso years ago, and it's this laundry net pouch, and it is Mickey themed. They also had a Minnie themed, like various different sizes. They had Mickey themed ones, Minnie themed ones that were Daisy and Donald. But this one is Mickey, and it does have a little bit of Donald in it too, though. Yeah, but it's like his pants, so he has like the ears with Mickey, his hand, and then there's like a few weird Donald, like Donald footprint and like his silhouette and his hat. But it doesn't say Donald on it, but it just says like Mickey. So, you know, sometimes there's little funny things like that. But it's bigger than how it looks here, but it just kind of folded in on itself. So yeah. So that's something I just like put my underwear in, or it's when I'm traveling back, I can separate like dirty laundry from clean. It's just, I've used something similar from Daiso in the past, so I know I'll use it whenever I travel and leave the house again. Who knows? Wishful buying, I guess. So, and the last 2 are kind of similar in that way. So these are 2 pouches that are the same design, well, same product, 2 different designs and 2 different sizes. So this first one is a mesh case, and it's an A5 size. So I think that's like a measurement for like a sheet of paper. So even though it looks a little bit smaller than that. But yeah, it just has the Disney princesses on him, particularly Ariel, Belle, Rapunzel, and then it has like pink hearts and flowers and seashells, and it has a little says Princess and it has the castle on there. So of course since Belle was on it, I had to get it. And it was just cute the way they're drawn. They look very like baby-fied. Like they look like the little kid versions of themselves kind of. So I thought that was cute. It has a pink zipper and then the back is just like a mesh. So the back is nothing to look at. But yeah, just keep your eyes on the front. It's good to store your stuff in. That was the largest one. The next size down was this size, and then they had one more, which was kind of like a little bit bigger than like you could hold like cards in it and stuff. I didn't need that size, but I got this one, and they had this one also in like a cream background with the red writing and accents. So, but I got the teal. I just liked the color, or like the mint green, I would say. It's more mint green. But yeah, it just has Mickey, and it has his face in a bunch of different expressions. Kind of this like teal zipper, and then the same mesh back. So, and the smaller one was the same. It was more similar to this design, but yeah, they had those there, $1.50 each. One day I'll get to use them, I guess. So yeah, that's everything I got. Everything was $1.50 each except for, like I said, the 2 glass containers, and my total came to $27.31. So that was really good. I wasn't really keeping track of what I was buying, so I was really surprised. I was like, oh, under $30, cool. I can take that. So it was really nice to just browse and see all the adorable things they have there, because it's a Japanese dollar store and the Japanese love cute things. They love cutesy characters and I love that kind of aesthetic too. So they have a lot of cute stuff. So if you have a Daiso in your area and you haven't been there yet, you definitely should check it out. If you like cutesy stuff, if you like Disney, they have so much Disney stuff there. It's ridiculous. Like the gift bags and like all kinds of Disney stuff. And every aisle and every section, there is something, a Disney version of it. It was great. Jewelry, they had like Mickey earrings. Like they had all kinds of Disney stuff. So last time I was there, I don't remember seeing any Disney stuff, and I have been seeing people on YouTube and other like Instagram saying like, oh, the Disney merchandise I got at Daiso. And I was like, I need to get in there and see what Disney stuff they have. So yeah, it was really fun just browsing through there. So that's all I have for today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.